Hey guys, if you work on your vehicle, you're going to need some line wrenches sooner or later. These are Pittsburg Automotive. They're from Harbor Freight. They're called double end Flair nut wrench set. They're line wrenches. They're chrome plated. They go from 6mm up to 22mm. Very good quality. Very good quality. Lifetime warranty. If you want good quality tools at a fair price, you can't beat Pittsburg Automotive. And like I say, they're sold from Harbor Freight. Lifetime warranty. They're very good wrenches. Can't beat the quality, and you can't beat the price.